Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. Welcome back. To be verbs. To be verbs are, am, is, are in simple present. How to use to be verbs. 1. I am. I am Tom. Contraction, I'm. I'm Sarah. Negative form. I am not. I am not a doctor. Contraction, I'm not. I'm not a teacher. Question form. Am I a good student? 2. She is. She is 20. Contraction. She's. She's young. Negative form. She is not. She is not Italian. Contraction. She's not or she isn't. She's not Thai. She isn't French. Question form. Is she German? 3. He is. He is my brother. Contraction, he's. He's my dad. Negative form. He is not. He is not my uncle. Contraction, he is not or he isn't. He's not my teacher. He isn't my cousin. Question form. Is he your dad? 4. It is. It is cute. Contraction, it's. It's red. Negative form. It is not. It is not black. Contraction, it's not or it isn't. It's not blue. It isn't green. Question form. Is it yellow? 5. You are. You are beautiful. Contraction, you're. You're pretty. Negative form. You are not. You are not tall. Contraction, you're not or you aren't. You're not slim. You aren't handsome. Question form. Are you a vet or are you wet? 6. We are. We are classmates. Contraction, we're. We're friends. Negative form. We are not. We are not cousins. Contraction, we're not or we aren't. We are not brothers. We aren't sisters. Question form. Are we colleagues? 7. They are. They are young. Contraction, they're. They're funny. Negative form. They are not. They are not tall. Contraction, they are not or they aren't. They're not old. They aren't short. Question form. Are they at home? Then to use to be verbs. 1. To say names. For example, I am Harry. She is my friend. 2. To say age. For example, I'm 26 years old. My sister is 30. 3. To say country. For example, we are from America. My boss is from Turkey. 4. To say job. For example, her uncle is an athlete. My parents are teachers. 5. To say nationality. For example, I am Indian. Are you Thai? 6. To express feeling. For example, we are happy. My cousin is sad. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share around with your family and friends and subscribe for more videos.